Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. And today is going to be a special kind of video. It's going to be a quick one as usual. I've just come home, I'm exhausted, I'm sweaty, and I just remembered I got this right here. So in here I have the new Cerave Balancing Air Foam Cleanser, and I thought it would be nice to come out here and then do a quick review. It's the Balancing Air Foam Cleanser and it's for normal to combination skin. It says that it hydrates and it also controls oil. That's really interesting. Usually I would always sort of take my makeup off first with micellar water or double cleanse basically. But today I just want to see if how much this can take off the makeup. Yes, there's no claim that it can take off makeup all by itself, but I just want to try it out. And the first thing I'm going to do is just to go in and wash my face. Sorry, my hands, because I cannot put dirty hands on my face. So just wash my hands, ensure that they are thoroughly clean. Now I'm done washing my hands. The next thing I'll do is to okay, so this comes in a 145 ml worth of products, and I don't know if I mentioned I received this as PR, and I'm going to be letting you guys know my honest opinion because I mean there's no point sugarcoating. I like to be very honest when I get this kind of product, so I'm not obliged to do this review, but I just want to save you guys some money, if to let you guys know basically if it's worth getting or not. But so this is what it looks like, and a few pumps, okay, just to get something out. And it's like, I mean, for me, it's like mousse. And yes, that's what I have right here. And it has I'll just say it almost does not have any fragrance to it. So I'm going to wet my face a bit. Yeah, I'm going to wet my face a bit. I have a bit of makeup on with sunscreen. So let's see what the magic this would do, and just going in like so. I think I will be needing more. Okay, maybe I'll just use this, then see what happens, then go in again. I'll certainly wash my face twice so you can see all that foundation coming off. So this is what we're looking like. I'm just going to do this for about 60 seconds. So I try to take up as much product as possible. So, and of course my neck as well. So okay, now I'm done washing my face. I'm pretty certain that I would need to go in with a cleanser again. But what I'm going to do, I'll just quickly grab a cotton pad and my micellar water, just to see how much of the makeup the product took off. So let's go in. Ooh, it's can you see? There's barely any product on that. I mean, there's just a little bit of foundation on there, like there's just a tiny bit, but I must say that I'm quite impressed. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in again with the same cleanser, and just further cleanse my skin, because I want to be sure that all the products on my face is thoroughly clean. I'm going to go in again and try and cleanse my face even further. Please, you can only do this if your face is very, very dirty, just as mine was. But like I said, I prefer to double cleanse. Maybe I could use micellar water and clean my face first, or even going with a cream cleanser first before this. I prefer to go in with cream or oil cleansers first before going in with the foam cleanser, because this might be too stripping. So please, I don't advise you to do as I'm doing, cleansing your face twice at the same time with a foaming cleanser, unless your face is excessively dirty and can handle it. So I would say if your face is very dirty, just use a cream cleanser first. When I mean dirty, like a lot of makeup on and everything, use cream cleanser or micellar water first, then go in with your foam cleanser next. Because if you do this continuously, like cleanse your face twice with foaming cleanser, you might end up stripping your face, getting your face like irritating your skin. So I'm just now taking my time to ensure that my face is thoroughly clean. But you can see the evidence that my face is almost clean is because it's quite foamy. I don't want soap to get into my eye. And so now this is what my face looks like. So how does my skin feel? My skin does not feel like it's too stripped. So it doesn't feel like, there's some cleansers you use, the face will feel very like squeaky clean, and this doesn't feel that way. So my face still feels like, it feels all right, honestly. So even though I used it twice, I don't feel it's stripped, like overstripped my skin, which is a good sign. But like I said, please do not do like me, don't use your foaming cleanser 2 times like regularly. Do you understand? If you have to do it, like I mentioned, the steps you take already. So what do I think about this cleanser? I think it's a nice one, like this being first impression. Certainly come back maybe in another 2 weeks or thereabout to do a proper review, because from now till 2 weeks I will use this daily, possibly 2 times a day, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this cleanser. But so far so good. I am loving it. I'm not surprised. It is Cerave. Cerave doesn't, like, they always get it right. So I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions in the comments, if you've tried any other Cerave cleansers, let me know your favorite Cerave cleanser. With all that being said, I will catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.